Hello and welcome. Today we have another interesting video I would love to share. Yes, allow nature to take care of itself. We are blessed with nature. First thing I'll be telling you about this pawpaw leaf is this. Pawpaw leaf is highly medicinal. It is only few that knows how to use it. I will be sharing with us so many uses of pawpaw leaf. First, we can use pawpaw leaf to treat ringworm. If you have any kind of ringworm, please, or you know someone that is suffering from ringworm, recommend this video for the person. Please, when you have this knowledge, don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you share the knowledge to friends. When you get pawpaw leaf, extract the juice and use it to rub on the affected area of ringworm. Do this 2 times every day and you will see the results on the 3rd day. If you want to turn your hair to dark hair, it's not already gray hairs, brown hair to dark hair, pawpaw leaf can do that. When you get pawpaw leaf, extract the juice, use it and be washing your hair twice every week. You will see your hair after 3 times of using pawpaw leaf. It's gonna be so dark and you will love your hair. If you wanna detox the system, get enough pawpaw leaf. Use water to blend it or you can squeeze it and extract the juice. Add honey to it and drink. It will detox the system and clean your kidney up. This is tested and trusted. Alright? Then another thing I want to share with us is uses of unripe pawpaw. Yes, like I told you before, for ringworm also, unripe pawpaw is good at that. If you have ringworm as well, you don't want to use the pawpaw leaf, get me unripe pawpaw, like this one I have, cut it off, and then extract the milky stuff coming out from the area. You can see this is it. It looks like it's white, or I don't know the color, or colorless or white or milky color. Just get the color, the milky stuff, apply it on the affected area 3 times or 2 times every day. You will see the results on the 4th day. And if the ringworm happens to be much, you can just cut as many as you can. Use the pawpaw itself and rub it on the person's hair. It's gonna take care of it. Now I have another thing I want to share with us. Do you know pawpaw seed is good in birth control? Are you just hearing that? Okay, if you know that before, maybe let me just remind you. If you don't want to give birth and you want to be engaging yourself in those activities, adult activities, those engagements, you can get yourself enough pawpaw seed. After engagement, take 1. It's gonna take care of your uterus. It's gonna expunge everything completely. You won't get pregnant and no side effects. Okay, now another thing I want to share with us is how you can use this pawpaw to treat ulcer. How do we do that? Foot ulcer, you can as well use pawpaw to do it. How do we use this pawpaw to treat foot ulcer? If you don't have diabetes, or even if you have diabetes and you have any injury of any kind, just get me a ripe pawpaw. Cut the exact shape of that particular wound. Use it and place it, and then look for something and tie it. Do this 2 times every week and make sure you keep the wound very neat and very clean. You have to be washing the wound so that when the pawpaw will get there, it will react and it's gonna help extract all the water there, anything bad, many bacteria there. Pawpaw is gonna take care of it and it's gonna fasten the healing. Now I want to prepare this for ulcer, stomach ulcer. Okay, yes, if you want to prepare for stomach ulcer, just get me pawpaw, unripe one. When you get it, you have to cut it just the way I'm doing it. You have to cut it into in cube forms, like square form. Okay, yeah, just like this. You have to cut it like in square form and soak it. I want to ask you this question again. Have you subscribed to our channel? If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, darling friends, don't miss this and don't deny yourself this opportunity. This channel has come to help us. It has come to deliver us from so many ailments. Yes, we are blessed with nature. Let us allow nature to take care of itself. So let's continue. After cutting it in a smaller form, the way you want it, but make sure it is tiny. Don't make it too big, okay? Yes, you have to cut it into smaller forms, okay? Then I have another thing. Do you know? Let me divert a little bit. Let me digress a little bit. You can prepare your salad using pawpaw. Yes, we can prepare your salad using pawpaw. You can as well use this pawpaw to be scraping your face, sorry, if you want to brighten your face. It is high in vitamins and it is very good in allergies. Okay? Pawpaw is very nice. So try and be using it for so many things like your salad is good for it. So darling friends, after cutting it, you have to make sure you cut everything. Yeah. Make sure you cut every damn thing. You're not going to leave anything behind. Let me remind you this. If you have to subscribe to our channel, please do. So when you are done cutting it, you look for the bigger ones if you think there are bigger ones, so they can cut everything in smaller form, because it's gonna ferment and you're gonna get the best results when you cut it into smaller pieces. Yeah, but when you cut it big, you may not really get the best result. Okay, so you can see this is well arranged, well cut. Then you have to soak it with water. You are not going to put full water. At least 2 cups of water will be enough. After putting your water, let's assume you soak it on Monday. That means you have to put the water on Monday and you start taking it on Friday. That is after 4 days. After 3 days of soaking it, on the fourth day, you have to remove the pawpaw completely from water, and then the water will be whitish in color. You start taking it shots every morning, 1 shot every morning. Once you are done taking the one, you discard it. You can add honey to it if you cannot withstand the taste. So, I believe you've gotten something reasonable today. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. Love you guys. I will see you in my next video.